Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes fix the disk is write protected error in USB, SD, micro SD memory card. Open my computer, paste some files to your pen drive or SD card. Pop-up displays, the disk is write protected. I want to format the USB drive. Same pop-up menu displays. Solution is, type CMD in search bar. Right-click CMD. Run as administrator. Type disk part, press enter key. Type list disk, press enter key. List disk shows all connected drives, including hard disk, USB, and SD cards. My USB is connected to disk 2, so I am select disk 2. Type select disk 2, press enter key. Now disk 2 is selected. Type attributes disk clear read only, press enter key. Disk attributes read only cleared successfully. Type exit, press enter key. Type exit, press enter key. Now copy and paste it to USB, no problem, successfully pasted to USB. Now trying to format USB, successfully format. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.